Hey everybody, in this video I will be demonstrating some of the main features on our new website. The first of which will be how you book your tutoring sessions. So similar to how you do it currently, you'll still be able to communicate directly with your tutor to negotiate a time. So you can text your tutor, give them a call, send them an email, and they'll circle back and connect with you to find a time. And once you agree on a time, what will happen is your tutor will go on their login and schedule the session, and what will happen is you'll receive an email. And in this email there'll be a link, and on that link, there'll be two things. There'll be the details of the tutoring session, and there'll be a paywall to pay via your credit card or via PayPal. So in this first part, there's all the core information that your tutor put in. So your name, your email, the appointment date, the appointment time, the type of tutoring, either subject tutoring or SAT, ACT prep, the length, and the price. And then your tutor might also add some notes. So here's a good spot for them to add the Zoom link. They might also add a quick plan based off what you guys discussed prior. And there's also the option for you to add notes. So let's say I need extra help with triangle proofs in particular, then your tutor will see that and they can prepare accordingly. And then here's our paywall. You can pay via PayPal, Pay Later, which is like a PayPal credit thing, and then also via debit card and credit card. And this part isn't new. We've been using PayPal for 2 years. And just to reemphasize, it's a very secure platform that has processed hundreds of billions of transactions on it each year. And it's a very secure platform that we're confident in. And just to clarify, no payment data is stored on this platform. So you'll have to either log in each time or enter your credit card each time at the moment. So that's that. Now, let's say you're either a new customer or you're looking for a new tutor. Maybe you're working with someone currently for geometry, but you want to find a tutor in another class. How you do that is you can go from our homepage here, you can click Get Started or click Find a Tutor, and that'll bring you to our search portal. Right now, given that everything's online, the in-person toggle doesn't really matter that much, nor does the online. But the most important one right now will be to search by subject, since there'll be a lot of tutors on here as we bring more people onto our team. So let's say I want to find a tutor for Algebra 2. I can add Algebra 2. I can look through some of the bios. You can see a lot of information, the tutor's name, their school, a quick paragraph about themselves, their hometown, what subjects they tutor in a picture. Now, let's say I want to work with myself. I just click Get Started here, and I add a little bit of info. This is very similar to the intake forms on Google Form that we've been utilizing. So you'll put the parent's name, the student's name, the phone number. And one thing I want to emphasize is that the more detail you provide on this form, the more information your tutor has, and therefore the better prepared they can be for that first session and subsequent sessions. So I'll fill out the contact info, hometown, and one thing I also want to emphasize on this last page is that this information is 100% confidential. So you can really trust us that this information is just going to stay amongst our team internally and our tutor. So we really encourage you to be as transparent as possible, especially about things such as ADHD or ADD, testing accommodations, allergies, because the more information we have, the better we can prepare. So once you submit that, a tutor will be notified and they'll reach out ideally within 24 hours. So that's that. You'll also receive an email confirming that you requested this tutor, and then you'll hear back from there. So that's pretty much the main workflows for now. If you have any questions, you can either reach out to myself, any other members of the Massapequa Tutor leadership team, your tutor. We're all happy to help you out. Obviously, change is tough, but we want to make it as easy as possible. And more importantly, we want your feedback because we want to make this product as easy to use and as helpful as possible. So if you have any ideas on how we can improve, anything that you would like to see, anything you don't want to see going forward, let us know. We're all ears. And also we want to take that feedback and act upon it. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I wish you a happy 2021.